Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to add something through the ConnectedDrive store to my G99 M5 Touring, and that's going to be Parking Assistance Professional. Now to do that, let's go into the app. So this is my car right here. Scroll down to the bottom. There's a little ConnectedDrive store thing here, and there's ConnectedDrive upgrades. And what we're going to do is we're going to select Parking Assistance Professional, which is right there. You have to go through all the login process here to confirm your selection. It does take a little bit of time. And conveniently I've already added it, but there's a little drop-down menu here. So you can see what you want to choose. There's a little couple selections you might want to make. Once you're done, add it to the cart. See, one item's already in my cart here. I'm going to hit continue. And that's going to log me in and take me to the checkout page. Then hopefully you can see it. I mean, it is kind of bright right now. But with that 20% discount currently offered in the store, it's $176 for lifetime. All right, so once you get done entering all your information, just hit the purchase now as we wait. All right, that has now been added to my M5. Now, I guess the other question is, how long does it take for it to show up on your vehicle? And I'm going to find out right now. So basically I just did it. Going to hop in. I'll try a couple different things to get this thing to recognize. All right, first thing I'd do is check the update apps and services. Go to system settings, and you scroll down, then update apps and services. All right, let's see what we can find here. Of course, the hard part is trying to figure out if your car actually updated. The thing we do is check the ConnectedDrive store and check your subscribed things in here. So right now it does say it's activating. So I'm not sure how long that's going to take, but obviously I did the update apps and services. The other thing I want to do in the car is check the ConnectedDrive store to make sure it actually went through, but I'm not sure how long that's going to take to get activated. I guess we might have to come back and check later on. All right, so back in the car about 2 hours later. Notification there. Store, the Parking Assistant Professional service has been activated. So it may take an hour or two for it to show up on whatever you buy. It might be a little bit quicker, but that's it. And we'll see you at the next video. And then just double check within the Parking Assistant feature here. So you can see recording a new path is now active. That wasn't there before because it just had Parking Assistant Plus. So that notification you get on the iDrive screen is valid.